Hey, my friend, this is Subhas here. Good morning, and I hope you're doing well and healthy. And I have one question from you. Are you doing online marketing? If your question is yes, then you must require a lots of lead for your online business. No matter you are doing affiliate marketing, no matter doing your product launching, no matter doing what type business you are doing on online field, you must lead to grow your business. So how you can generate a lots of lead for your business, because once you have lead, then you can promote a lots of product through email marketing. You can promote any kind of lead product. You can promote health product without having your own product. So I'm just going to give you a full reviews of one of the software I'm personally using from a month, which software allow me to generate thousands of lead every single day, and all lead is or organically legal and real, and that is authority email lead from a social media account platform on Instagram. So if you are using Instagram for a fun purpose, then you can move to your business. So how you can do that? So let's share the screen with you. So you can see I'm using this kind of software called Profitmate. It is a really important software. So first of all, you should once you purchase, then I personally teach you how you can use this software. Okay, and you can log in on your Instagram. First of all, you can see on here Instagram account. You can open your Instagram account, and like if you are doing online marketing, then you can search if you're doing affiliate marketing, then you can search affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing. And if you want to grab all leads and everything, so you can see to you can do everything. So one moment, and let's talk about Pat Flynn. He's a famous online marketer. And Tony Robbins, he's an online industry expert, business coach. So if for example, if you want to grab lead about this post, so what you need to do, copy this post URL and go back on this software and find, and for what type, post comment. Okay, you can paste on here, and this software automatically find a lot of followers who commented on this post and who click inside this post. So you can see on here 100 you can see this software is fetching all followers and commented, and you can see all profile is legal and real. If you're going to promote clickbank product, then you can select your niche like health niche, and you can search influencer post on this software, and after then you can come back and searching like this, and you will get a lot of result. And one moment, for example, this post is done, then you can download. Okay, you can download clicks and comment. Okay, you can download. After then what you need to do, come back, and second step, you can open this. Okay, hold on, and you can see copy all username from here and come back and paste on here. After then you can see 700 username and submit on here, give name, and what you need, what you want post comment. No, I do not want phone number. Yes, business I want city, and you can hidden all feature, all information. You don't kind required. If you required phone number, you just put on here. Okay, and this software is fetching automatically. You can see on here two business account, and you get one email ID. Okay, and hold on, you can see here within a few seconds it is generating 23-24 email, and you can see only 312 username fetching, and 97 username he get a business account get, and inside business account a lot of people putting their email ID. So he found 26. So let's just stop this software to fetching and move to show you all emails. Okay, so you can see on here we have stop on here, and if you really want email ID, to all businesses, then you can see, and you can download conditional data, and you can new promo, just copy on here and open it. You can see on here username, full name. After then, this is all Gmail. You can see on here all people putting their business and Gmail account, Gmail ID. So this is really amazing. And also you can see on here, I have generated so many a lot of emails. You can see we have generated on here same software I'm using, and you can see all person, you can see on here we have generated a lots of email just every single day. You can see on here, and all Gmail, all email is really legal. And after generated this email, I have using email marketing and sending promoting a product. Once I promote, then people are interested and buy, then I get a lots of commission. You can see on here. So if you really want to generate even thousands of lead every single day without spending any kind of money, then I highly recommend you this software. It is really legal, and you will get full complete functional email list which you can promote any kind of business. Okay, and let's talk about some other niche, like you, if you are not in online, if you are not promoting make money online offer, like you promoting yoga related product. Okay, so one more, hold on, yoga. Okay, and let's talk, let's share some fetching. Just copy this and same method I will personally, if you buy my link, then I personally help you. Okay, let's on here, click on here, you can see it is fetching. Okay, and also if you want to host full account, if you want to select full account, then you can see it is a very big just very, I'm just going to so very small amount. You can see on here, and copy this a whole profile on here and come back on here. Just you can download it, and same process again. Okay, and there have a if you are if you buy front end, then you will get a limited feature, but I highly recommend you should also buy OTOs. Okay, I will explain everything on here. So you can see followers, others, and you can see with another account, and you just type yoga. You can see yoga, and like for example yoga here, followers. Okay, and you can see it is a fishing on here, and you can download. Okay, and come back on software and upload. You can see copy your username. Okay, and come back and put on here. After then you just yoga. Okay, and fetching. After then you just go to clickbank and everywhere, and just grab product and send by email, and I will teach you everything. Okay, so you can see fetching on here 6 account, and he get 1 and 2 email right now. Just hold on. You can see email extracting started. So just I'm just download fetching, and you can see on here to email, download conditional data, and you can see to email on here. So you can promote any kind of product to anyone. Okay, so this is really amazing software which I personally using to generate a lots of lead every single day. So if you want, if you're really serious, you should pick up this software. Also, let's talk about what is the price of that software. So for front end price around $67. You can see on here, you can visit on $67, but you will get discount coupon for a limited time. So click on here, and you can see about this software. It is called you can see, or you can watch the demo videos and read all information as a personal time, and click on here. And once you click on here, then you should go to checkout page and finish checkout. After then, one thing is important. One time investment, this gives you 2 to 3k user per day point and 50 to 100 emails a day. It is really, really cool. But if you really want to start promoting, like if you want to use this list for affiliate marketing, then you should go to BIP training, where he cover how to use Profitmate icon or local marketing, affiliate marketing, and offline business. This training really goes into how to convert the traffic into money in bank. So I highly recommend to you OTO number one, and supercharge research, like 10x to 5x to 10x result. Like if you want to fetching move fast, because you will get very limited software, very limited feature. You cannot search and fetching unlimited email. So I highly recommend to you, you should go to buy OTO number one. And OTO number three is, I'm not saying you don't need to buy any license. OTO number front end, OTO number one and two is important. So go to click on the link description below. You should go to and buy now. Once you buy, then you come back and just comment I bought, and I will give you my WhatsApp number, where you will get everything I personally guide you. Okay, so thanks for watching this amazing software tutorials, and see you soon.